managing sales commissions can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. We're talking tiered rates, complex accelerators, roll-ups, draws, minimums, the whole 9 yards. It's what most platforms dread. But for us at Spiff, it's our bread and butter. So, how does Spiff handle even the most intricate commission structures? It starts with our powerful, flexible calculation engine. Unlike rigid, black box systems, Spiff is built around an open, intuitive logic layer. Think of it like coding for commission, but so simple anyone can understand it. We can handle structures based on everything from gross margin and customer type to product mix and multidimensional quotas. A common headache is the multi-layer split and roll-up. Imagine a deal that needs to be split among 4 different people, with different weightings, and then a percentage of those commissions rolls up to 2 managers, each on a separate tier. Traditional tools buckle. Spiff's workflow simply maps this out. We define the logic once, connect it to your CRM and ERP data sources, and the calculations run in real time, instantly reflecting any data change or rule update. Crucially, Spiff brings transparency to complexity. When a rep sees their payment, they don't just see the final number. They see the entire calculation path, which deals contributed, which rates were applied, and how the split and roll-up occurred. This audit trail eliminates shadow accounting and builds trust, turning a complex calculation into a simple, traceable event. The takeaway? If you can draw your commission plan on a whiteboard, Spiff can build it, model it, and automate it. We take the stress out of complexity so your finance team can stop wrangling spreadsheets and start using real-time data to motivate and compensate your top performers accurately.